Hello, my name is Gary. You might know me as BGH Gary on Twitter or on the Babylon forums. Today I'm excited to share with you a demo for a project that we've been working on called Babylon Native. It allows you to build cross-platform native apps with the power of Babylon.js's framework. Now we still have a lot of work to do before the project is production ready, but we can already build some fairly interesting scenarios. So the goal is to enable developers to write the rendering code once using the Babylon.js's API and be able to use it both on the web and in native applications. So let me show you an example of this. So here I have a folder that's basically the test app that comes straight out of the Babylon native repo. So here we have the scripts that came from the Babylon.js side of things. We have the ammo physics engine, we have the GLTF loader, and we also have the Babylon file itself. And in the release folder, we have the actual executable. So what I'm trying to do here is set up a playground similar to how the web playground works. So in this folder, I have a playground.js script as well as a textures directory with an environment in it. I'm going to use that environment a little bit later. So if you ever use the Babylon playground, you know that the default scene looks like this. And what I'm going to do is copy this script and put it into the playground.js that I have open in Visual Studio Code. Now there's one caveat here is that Babylon Native does not support HTML DOMs, so this thing that attaches to the HTML canvas, I'm going to remove in order to demo it. So here we go. In order to launch it, we've set it up such that you take this JS file and you drag it onto the executable to launch it. And just like that, we have the same rendering as the playground on the web. But let's take it one step further and make it a little bit more complicated. If you remember from the 4 release, we have the Marble Tower demo that uses the ammo physics engine as well as loads some GLTF files. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the script and paste it into the playground. Now I've modified this demo a little bit to take out the HTML DOM dependencies similar to before. And in this case, I've also taken out the skybox because the skybox isn't currently working in Babylon Native. We're working on that part. So let me save this. And you'll see also that the texture is referenced here. And that's why I have that texture in that folder. So I've also set up a quick shortcut key to reload all the JavaScripts that's in this test app. So I'm going to press R right now. And you'll see that the Marble Tower will be loaded shortly. And just like that. So you see they're the same rendering, both on the web and in a native app. And that's a quick glimpse of what you can do with Babylon Native. If you want to find out more about the project, you can go to the GitHub repo. If you search for Babylon Native, it'll come right up. Everything is open source. And if you want to find out more about how Babylon Native works underneath, I wrote a short Medium article that I posted a little bit earlier this year. So you can find out more about how it works. So that's all I've got. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time.